Alright, I had this mod on my back burner. I wanted to save it for a crappy day. It's kind of rainy, drizzly out there. But let me show you what I just got done doing. So I just modified this solar power generator. Yes, it is a solar power generator. It has an inverter in it and outlets. But check this out. I got a big frickin' LED light here. And I also changed this plate out here. I got to clean that up a little bit. But that's just a straight air inlet, and the exhaust is right back here. So let's turn everything on. You hear it? See the light for the inverter right there? Just cleaned everything up in here. It was a booger drilling out this hole, and I did have a little bit of holes right there you can see that are exposed, but it's not no big deal, right? So to turn this light on here, I just rigged up another green switch. Bunka bunka bung! Look at that dog. It's a little emergency lighting source, right? Just close the top here. Show you. You're good to go, buckwheat. As with all my gizmos, you can recharge the battery with a battery tender junior. Just plugged into the back right there.